Read me. Esports is just as important as other sports. Esports, also known as electronic sports, refers to competitive video gaming. There is no doubt that esports has been growing in popularity in recent years, with many people tuning in to watch and participate in competitions. Some argue that esports should be considered just as important as other traditional sports. Esports require similar levels of skill, strategy, and teamwork as traditional sports, and can provide similar physical and mental benefits. Esports players require quick reflexes, hand-eye coordination, and the ability to make split-second decisions under pressure. Additionally, esports can provide a sense of community and belonging for players and fans. With the rise of online gaming, people from all over the world can connect and compete with each other, breaking down barriers of geography and culture. However, there are also those who argue that esports cannot be compared to traditional sports, and that they do not promote physical fitness in the same way. Some critics also point to concerns about screen time and the potential for addiction to video games. Ultimately, the importance of esports is subjective and will depend on individual perspectives. However, it is clear that esports is a growing industry with a dedicated fanbase, and that it has the potential to continue to thrive in the future. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, go.